Gotta take it day by day. Keep moving forward no matter what they say. And when the thieves try to steal your faith, keep pushing through them, 'cause there ain't no other way. If you wanna get stronger, no, don't break, no, don't break. Stronger, stronger, no, don't break, no, don't break. Stronger, stronger.
Women have different strengths at the door. Women have the advantage of their emotional side. They can pick up on the prospect's emotions and think beyond what they are saying. Men are more one-dimensional at the door. They can't see the emotions or the body language beyond the words. When I'm at the door, I pick up on what hasn't been said or why something is being said. I can read the situation's emotions. For example, I can sense when a wife is stressed about a move because the timing of the year. She wants to list and move before the school year starts. If she appears nervous, it's not me or the listing details making her nervous. I can see that she wants her children to be settled into their new home before the school year starts. As a female, I can tap into this when my knocking partner can't always. I can respond with things to say that ease her mind. Then my male knocking partner might be quick on his feet and add some supporting area stats about quick market turnover. Playing to female and male strengths on a team often works as a good strength pairing. The bottom line is that pairing wisely is important, and when I play my strengths in a pairing, I make way more money. I never make my knocking partner strengthen their weaknesses. They have strengths that I don't have. All of this is important to keep in mind if you were ever in a position as a team leader at a brokerage.
Stronger, stronger.